I just really hope that the autistic community starts to be served a little bit better than how it currently is.
Unfortunately, funding has been cut, which means we're seeing less provision for children in schools and less places in special needs schools as well.
For the communities to work in collaboration so that we can work together for different events.
I would like to see some increase in funding.
And when I come here, I can see people treating people with disabilities well.
The future's looking quite good for what we have planned for 2026.
I would like to see some post-education provision because autistic children become autistic adults, and once they leave the safety and the framework of the education system, there's not that much provision after the age of 18.
Inclusion matters.
The funding streams, the requirements for reporting, the way that the local authority might commission NHS services, it's still all got ableist undertones, and I really hope that this year we can start to unlock some of the children's potential to be exactly who they are, to be the best person that they naturally already are without having to pretend to be something that they're not.